The focus is on clarity and direction, avoiding information overload. Now, let's have a conversation about the genuine benefits. Saves you valuable time by steering clear of trial and error. Assists you in comprehending the YouTube algorithm. Strengthens your confidence level for beginners. Demonstrates how you can achieve traffic without having to rely on paid ads. Is absolutely perfect for those who are seeking side income opportunities. Proves to be extremely beneficial, even if you don't want to show your face in front of the camera. This is the perfect solution if you find yourself feeling puzzled or overwhelmed by YouTube. This product is highly suitable for beginners looking to dive into the world of affiliate marketing, affiliate marketers who wish to enhance their strategies, JVZoo and ClickBank promoters seeking advanced tools, people with limited budget resources but aiming to succeed in internet marketing, people hesitant about using camera due to their fear or comfort level, side hustle seekers looking for additional income opportunities. Not recommended for advanced YouTubers looking to maximize their channel's potential. Not a software that should be considered as a get-rich-quick scheme. Not an automated magic solution that can make people successful overnight. In summary, this product is tailored to cater to a wide range of needs and goals, enabling users to achieve their ambitions in the world of online marketing. The front-end price? Oh my damn! It's a steal at just about $17. For all you newbies out there, this is like the golden ticket. Low risk, sky-high learning potential, especially when you stack it up against those overpriced courses that are just a money pit. Now let's break it down. Pros: super simple and totally beginner-friendly, like a walk in the park. Ridiculously affordable. Seriously, you could blow that on a coffee run. Crystal clear strategy. No smoke and mirrors here. Absolutely zero hype language. Just the good stuff. But hold your horses. Let's keep it real with the cons. Not for the advanced folks. Sorry, not sorry. You gotta put in the action and stick to it. No slacking off. Don't expect instant results. This isn't a magic trick, folks. So, remember this. Training only works if you actually put in the damn effort. Are you ready to hustle? Or are you just gonna sit there and watch the world pass you by? So, let me lay it out for you straight up. Are you totally fresh to the wild world of YouTube marketing? Want a crystal clear roadmap that's easier than pie? Looking to dodge the chaos and confusion that can come with it? Then, holy smokes, YouTube Marketing 2.0 Made Easy is a freaking goldmine you need to check out. I've dropped the official link right down there in the description, so don't just sit there. Click it, dive into all the juicy details, and see what the hell you think.